These are the times that try men's souls. In the course of our nation's history, the people of have rallied bravely whenever the rights of man have been threatened. Today, a new crisis has arisen. Citizens, hear me out. This could happen to you.
Ahí, Rondo. Buena. Qué cabrón. Madre mía.
This the year of the blacksmith. Tyler Quali, K1, let's go. Yeah, dope. Back in the days we all used to listen. Now it's so whack, nobody listen to that real hip hop, yo. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, here comes Tyler Quali, and I'm banging on your eardrum. Now let me get up in it. Wait, friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. Stop repenting cause the ending is near. But don't panic, you can't function if you live in fear. Pay attention, you gotta listen to hear. Wait just a minute. Who the fuck you think you talking to? Put you on hold, get a specialist to walk you through. Quali, the flow captain, the fast, the slow rapping. I'm so cracking, you ain't heard. You depend on closed captions. King of the bars, and I'm going hard wars. All my confidence comes from knowing God's laws. Banging on the system, fighting my kind of war. Loud as a whisper, quiet as a lion's roar. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready here. Tyler Quali, and I'm banging on your eardrum. Let me get up in it. Square your spirit soul. John, give me the rhythm. Get up, get into it and get involved. There's a little something that I wanna speak for y'all. Now let me get up in it. Get it now, get it fast, get it right, get it big, get it live, get it dark, get it tight. But you don't really hear me though, I spit it clearly so it's live at your stereo. To your heart while it's beating in your chest. So you're speaking to execs in the seat behind the desk. To your spirit, nothing weaker than the flesh. So while you try to keep it fresh, you getting deeper into depth. Real hip hop is missing from the shelf. Yeah, it's what you felt when you listen to yourself. Only a few is making cuts that finish. So before you spend your hard-earned spinach. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, here comes the Tyler Quali, and I'm banging on your eardrum. Now let me get up in it.
Madre mía.
John, give me the rhythm. Get on, get into it and get involved.
No.
Here's a little something that I wanna spit for y'all. Now let me get up in it. Yeah, lot of sounds coming out your speaker. I spit rounds like a 9mm. The youth today, they frown at the teachers.
I got lots of love for my crew. I got lots of love for my crew, that is. I got lots of love for my crew, that is.
Let 'em know, young buck in the game. Started off hard-headed, stuck in my ways. But things change and days turn to nights. Your nights are cold if your people ain't right. Squad is straight, split up the cake in 3 ways. My partner's down, I'm feeling the pain. And when we up, you find us out trying to live. I got
lots of love for my crew, that is.
Old soul in the game. I grew up stressed out, trying to hold in the pain, but kept my mind right, sketched the highlights. I ain't your life, but fight for my rights, and your right to fight for yours. I fight through forked tongues and spike swords, for days of thunder, for nights of tours. It's dope to fight the illness that fights the cure. If it ain't family, I ain't.
Agua también.
Vale, negro, va, que voy. Tú dirás.
Ya.
Por todas mis fans. Voy, ¿eh?
Sí.
Si se me sale una pelotilla, no la hagas tú. Voy. Ahora sí, ¿eh? Oh. Ahora sí. Se nota, sin zapatillas. Sí.
Você preta. Opa! Tá bonito!
For the love of God, for the love of cash, scrambling to beat the odds, hustling and ducking in between the laws. For the love of my family, the streets are ours. For DJs ripping these beats apart, we puff herb and spread love like Peter Tosh. Magic, classic, we prove that shit.
I got lots of love for my crew, that is.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are 7 acknowledged wonders of the world. You are about to witness the 8th. Standing in the spotlight on Showcase are 12 young men who have given you such tunes as the Grunt, Pass the Peas, Give Me Some More. Ladies and gentlemen, without no doubt, these are the JBs.
Hit it. Oh, how you feel, brother? Feeling good. You feel good? Feeling good. It's ain't so much bone, brother. How you feel, man? I feel alright. I call your name. I don't want no people to know you're in here. How you feel, fellas? Hey, Jam! Sure getting down. Look at him. Ha. We're gonna have a funky good time. We're gonna have a funky good time. We're gonna have a funky good time.
¡Hijos de puta!
¡Vamos!